welcome back to my channel. So I am doing this after a long time, and this is an in-demand video because a lot of my juniors as well as my friends from other branches like mechanical and civil have said me that they really want to start their career in the field of programming. They really want to learn coding, but they have no idea about it. They have no idea about which programming language is used for what is this web development, what is this Android development. So if they need to create a software, what they need to do, what is this database, what is this front end, what is this back end, they have absolutely no idea about it. So in this entire video I will try my best to solve all their issues, and I hope this will be an interesting video. So without wasting much of the time, let's start it. So talking about the programming languages, there are a lot of programming languages, but it depends upon the which project you are working on. So I would like to give you an example here. So if you go to Bihar and start talking in Malayalam, those people won't understand it. Likewise in programming also, if you want to, there are specific programming languages which are used to create a specific project. So if you are working on, or if you want to develop an Android application, you cannot use Swift language for it. Likewise, if you want to create an iOS application, you cannot use Java for it. So specific programming language is used to create a specific task. So let us talk about the front end. What is front end? What is back end? What is this database? And how we can create this using programming languages. Which are the programming languages which we can use to create front end, back end and database? Let's discuss this. So what is this front end? A lot many people might not be knowing it. So front end is nothing but when you open a Facebook and when you try to log in, that page which will ask you the email ID and password is nothing but a front end. So keep that in mind, as simple as that. So how this front end is developed? Front end is developed using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and in today's world there is a library of JavaScript, that is React, which is widely used in almost all companies nowadays. Angular can also be used. There are a lot of things with which we can create this front end. And talking about it, it is a very easy, like initially earlier days we used to use HTML and CSS for that. But in today's world, to be a front end developer, you need to know HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Along with that, you need to know either Angular or React. So now let us talk about the back end. What is this back end? So what is this backend all about? So backend is like it will authenticate all your data. So whatever the data you have entered in the front end, like email ID and password, it will go to backend, and in the backend a lot many processes will happen. Like it will authenticate your data, it will authenticate your email ID, it will authenticate your password, and this email and this backend is connected with your database. So database and backend is interconnected. And in the backend, the data which will be receiving from the front end will be authenticated, like email ID, password. If your email ID and password do not match, then from the backend itself, the error message will be sent to the front end, and in the front end, you will see the message like database, password and email ID do not match. So all these stuffs, that all this authentication will be done in the backend. So how to develop this backend, or how this backend, which programming language we can use to develop this backend? So in today's world, there are a lot of programming languages. One of the programming language which is very famous is JavaScript. I mean Node.js. Node.js is a library of JavaScript, and it is widely used in almost all companies nowadays. You can also use PHP for that, and also you can also use Java, you can also use Python, and there are a lot many programming languages. But as of now, the very efficient programming language is JavaScript, which is, I mean, the Node.js. It is a library of JavaScript. So yeah, you can learn these languages, and you can start working on the backend. Okay, so what is this database? Database is nothing but it is used to store all our data. So how to create this database? So database is can be created using MySQL language. We have a MySQL language for it, where we need to write the SQL queries, and we can create the tables, we can create the rows, we can create the columns, and we can create a primary key. There are a lot of, this is a separate program. I mean, this is not programming language, but it is a language with which we can create a database. So I will make if you want to know more about the database, you can tell me that. I'll make a separate video on it. So as of now, I think you might have got a brief video, I mean brief idea like how all these stuffs work. So I hope I am able to clear all of some part of your issues. Thank you for it.